Good day everyone, this is Teacher Rovi and today we're going to talk about the nomenclature of bases. Okay, let me just remove this one. Okay, so let us define first what is a base. A base can be described as a substance that yields hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. Alright, so here are some of the examples. If you notice in their chemical formula, you have the oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Why? Because a base yields hydroxide ion when dissolved in water. Alright, now let us discuss about the properties of bases. Okay, so one property of a base is it tastes bitter. So if acid tastes sour, a base tastes bitter. Also, the pH of a base is greater than 7. And the acronym for a base is RBB. Okay? So when red litmus paper turns to blue, that means the compound is a base. Alright. Also, strong bases are corrosive. So you have to be careful when handling basic solution because it can burn your skin, especially if it is a strong base. And a base also feels slippery. Okay, so there you go. These are the properties of a base. Okay, now let us proceed with the nomenclature. The nomenclature for bases actually is a lot easier compared to the acids or nomenclature of acids. Now, let us see some of the examples. We have NaOH, and the name for this base is sodium hydroxide. So, how do we name a base? First, you have to write the or mention the name of the metal in the chemical formula. Na is sodium, right? And then add the word hydroxide. So this one is sodium hydroxide. How about KOH? What is the name of the metal K? That is potassium. And then add the word hydroxide. So that is potassium hydroxide. How about this one? We have BaOH2. So what is the name of the metal Ba? Barium. And add the word hydroxide. There you go, as easy as that. Now, let us discuss about ammonia. Okay, so the chemical formula for ammonia is NH3. If you notice, it is a bit different compared to the examples that we have for base. Okay, it doesn't have O or oxygen in its formula. However, ammonia, when dissolved in water, still yields hydroxide ions. So therefore, it is still considered as a base. Okay? Now, we have here the strong bases. So these bases are very corrosive. You have to be extra careful when handling these bases. Okay? Or you might get burned, okay, in your skin. So, we have LiOH. Let us practice what we learned a while ago. So, how do we name this base? Let us first name the metal Li. That is lithium. So, let me just write. Let me annotate. Alright. So, the name for the metal is lithium. And then let's add the word hydroxide. So the name for this base is actually lithium hydroxide. How about NaOH? What is the name of the metal Na? That is correct, sodium. And then add the word hydroxide. Okay. How about KOH? We have potassium. And add the word hydroxide. How about RbOH? That is rubidium. And add the word hydroxide. And how about CSOH? That is cesium. And add the word hydroxide. Alright. How about this one? Let me just, okay. CaOH2. What is the name of the metal? Ca. That is calcium. And add the word hydroxide. Okay. Let me just adjust the frame. Okay, how about SrOH2? The name for the metal Sr is strontium. And let's add the word hydroxide. Lastly, BaOH2. What is the name of the metal Ba? That is barium. And add the word hydroxide. There you go. So again, in this lesson, we focused on naming bases or the nomenclature of bases. So that's it. See you in the class. Bye-bye.